Today is Bodywork Day. I guess the last several days have been Bodywork Day. I'll show you where we're at. That was all just cut out of the van. When you see the original pictures, you saw a lot of Bondo and big holes. There was rust through a lot of it. Bondo through the part, so I figured I'm just going to put a big fat sheet on there. Not really, it's about 18 by 24. Got that all cut out. I'm going to clean it all up with a grinder, get it ready for welding, trim the excess, and weld in a new panel. These are good. I'm going to tap the piece in and go from there. And now for the tedious part. Just tacked in. You got to go slowly all over the perimeter. Weld everything in. I got to grind it gently. And then seal it up. I'll push the dent out. Got a little weight in it. I worked on it a bit. It was hard with one person to reach. So, went through, took the paint down, sanded it all out, bondoed it. A very light layer, but you can just tell from the pattern that you had a couple little imperfections, highs and lows. For the most part, it's smooth now. I'm going to hit it with primer, filler, and paint. We'll see how it is. There's the front of the van, it's getting there. Side note, I got my insulation for the front on the inside. Be able to put that HVAC box back in and the front end will be complete as soon as I get a day off of work. Surprise, surprise.